Welcome to PageProof's fresh new features, where we highlight just some of the new features over the last month. If you like to have several browser tabs open at the same time, who doesn't? You'll love this latest enhancement. We now keep the proof name on display at all times when you're proofing, perfect for when you're jumping between proof tabs. Our notification pane now shows 3 tabs. All shows your full live notification stream. Attention needed filters to show essential notifications such as when you've been invited to proof, been nudged, @mentioned, or received that proof approval or to-do list. Your decisions filters to show all proofs that you've recently made a decision on. You can also mark notifications as read or unread, just like email. We're excited to announce Adobe InDesign native file support, perfect for when you want to route your initial artwork for a quick review before creating the final design for approval. Simply drag and drop your InDesign file to create a proof. Head to our help article linked in the video description below to learn more. Head to your profile to see your address book. This new feature enables you to manage your existing address book of email addresses and add new ones too. A tip: click an email address to amend it. You'll see your address book make suggestions whenever you start typing an email address when setting up proofs and workflows. Have you ever uploaded the wrong file to create a proof or spotted a mistake you want to quickly correct before your reviewers begin proofing? You can now replace the proof file. Click the cog icon to do so. This feature is available if the proof has no comments or decisions placed by reviewers. Our Monday.com integration has been supercharged for teamwork. You can see where the proof is at in its workflow and use new integration recipes to keep the status of the proof automatically in sync based on the rules you set. Chat with our team to book a time to discover what you can achieve with our native integration with Monday.com. To stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe to our channel below. We hope you like these updates, and as always, if you have anything to ask us or any feedback you'd like to share, just send us a message via our in-app chat on your dashboard. PageProof, making feedback welcome.